So you guys all finished the food, man.
Yeah.
I see. How was it?
Finger looking good.
As you can see, guys, it's plate finished. Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, you guys need to come and try. The curry goat. Clean it. Yeah. All right, guys. So you guys love the food, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. What did you love about it?
It's authentic.
It's authentic.
Yeah, it feels like home.
It feels like home.
Alkaline was to die for. Just as good as it gets.
All right.
Ingredients,
Everything. Yeah. All right, guys. You're here for yourself. You know what to do now. It's time for you to come and try. So, you know what I mean? Pull up and show up. They did enjoy. So now it's time to go for a tour. Tour around Nairobi City with Jam Tours Africa. So when you come, you definitely want to tour with Jam Tours. So continue watching this vlog, like, share, and comment. Let us know your thoughts. Megan.
Thank you so much for support. Thank you, man.
Yeah, family. So now we're actually heading for a tour of Nairobi City, and I hope you guys will actually enjoy this tour. They are here for 2 weeks, and they want to see the city. And you know who they have to call already. They have to call the Jam Tours family. So, you know what I mean? Let's go. So now we're ready to go on this tour. Come on this side. Let's go, family. Let's load it up and go for the Jam Tours Africa tour.
What do you think of the air quality here?
Oh, it's very good.
So
It's very good.
It's always good, or some
Always, it's always good.
Okay.
You know, it might get bad when you go deep into the city, like you know, everywhere you're going to have a little slum here and stuff.
Yeah.
Might be, but over there, in
United Nations.
Yeah, United Nations place right there.
Okay.
And then you have the United States Embassy right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
then,
there's no security here.
yeah, so it's like very secure, and that's the thing. Once in this area, like in Kembu area, when anything is happening, this area is very safe.
Yeah,
That's where they export.
lock it down.
So is this where most of the expats live?
Export, yeah, diplomats and stuff. Yeah. So.
A lot of Chinese people here.
Not so much.
No.
Yeah, but they're here.
Indian, yes.
Yeah, the Indian has a population here from a very long time.
Yeah.
So they're actually a part of the tribe here. Yeah.
Just take some notes.
So a lot of these walls that you see there are a lot of houses behind them.
Yeah, like embassies and stuff. For the embassies, you'll find an homes behind. So you guys will be going to like the Giraffe Center,
Yeah.
all of these places.
Yeah.
In 2 weeks. Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
we're gonna hit a few of those. Go out and spend some time. Yeah, that's in Karen.
Okay.
Yeah. Is that the Giraffe Center?
The Giraffe Center,
Yeah. Or is that a different?
that's different.
Okay, so then it's like a giraffe. There's a giraffe place there too, but maybe it's a different.
Yeah.
Yeah, Giraffe Center, and then the baby elephants and orphanage.
Yeah, okay. Perfect. You can go to the museum if you want.
Yeah.
You know, there's a lot of places you can go. Nairobi is full of attractions, so many.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want to start biting them off, I think, tomorrow.
Yeah.
You're right. Like the chef at Grand Jam.
Yeah.
He said there's so much stuff
is coming up right here.
Something's good.
This and the Kembo is like the most prosperous county.
Oh yeah,
This
the
side,
county,
this
yes.
one is the most prosperous. Well, you'll find a lot of development in this.
And what's the name of the county again?
Kembo.
How do you spell that?
K-I-A-M-B-U. So, you know, so as you can see, family, you know, we're doing the tour, and as you can see, guys, your eyes is open up in wide. Wide. You can see the opportunity, and you know, say, you know what I mean? Kenya is the place. You know, the boat leave you. This is actually 4 ways. So it's 4 ways junction. I live inside there.
Oh, you live inside?
Yeah, well, so I'm just gonna go down a little bit, and then I'll actually come back and go inside there. So it's like on Kembu Road.
This is your stopping ground.
Yeah, right here, turn right here. You know. So
we're back in Rwanda?
yeah, so Runda, so this is like, it's like Runda, but
Okay.
it's like Runda. So on that side is Runda.
I see.
Yeah. So we can drive in, show you guys if you want a place to live, rent and stuff. Like upscale,
Yeah.
as you can see. Yeah, so this side.
Yeah, it's amazing. It really is amazing. They're like new developments.
So up this side, as I said, this side is Runda. Let's go and see. I have an international school right there too. So, and this side is for like the iron people. So Runda Palms Gardens. International school. International school called Service Family. Yeah, they're serious. Yeah, so much. Yeah, not like you. What I noticed on Sundays, these are like neighborhoods that you can actually live in. You can see these are the houses that you can see. Watch a video when I show the land and the golf course. Yeah, family. So we're actually in a place called Edenville. It's like a gated community. You know, where if you want to live with your family, you can come. It's nice. So how you like it so far?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Yeah, this is nice. So,
Greenery.
yeah,
I'm impressed.
the landscape. Yeah, this is like a borehole. Dig deep in the ground where water and process it out. It's like the water from the ground. security in every block. You'll see a security. Every block you go, you see a security. Yeah, family. So we're actually at the golf course estate. So this is where you can have like a supermarket, all like the stuff that is gonna be out there. You guys know Richmond Estate, right? Richmond Estate, Jamaican. It's kind of similar to here. This is bigger. So you can't build it here. You know, some people like stories. So you gotta be like, come on. All right, family, so let's go. All the way back. This is just the front. I just turn around. I'm just going to show you guys. Yeah. I don't want to waste your time. Yeah, it's this, I guess how they're doing it now is that you have to buy. And then once you buy, you have to get around. There's someone that builds like an estate inside there, way down, so they like sell home there, so it's like they can be like an estate. Oh, you hungry already?
What the goat?
Go.
Eat the goat.
Or you did the goat. Yeah. But you get real good. Yeah, family, so we just finished with the tour and we are at my place. And our brother from Sweden,
That's right, from Sweden.
he's
So,
saying.
I was just saying, it's that tour was amazing. You know, coming here for the first time, just looking at the city, you get bits and pieces as you go into between different places. But with this tour, I got a complete sort of idea of what it's like, both inside, outside, in between, all kinds of different dwellings. You know, the range of all kinds of options, whatever you're looking for. It was really, really useful, very helpful. That's all.
It was really, really eye-opening. It's like now I can put like the puzzle pieces together, and now I can see most of Kenya now. It's a beautiful place. It's so worth it. Come on out. Get with Jam Tours.
Yeah.
Don't waste your time. Just do it. Make
Yeah.
the move. Even if it's not the move yet, at least come and visit, take the tour. You know, you'll be convinced. It's just amazing.
Yeah.
Just
All right, guys. So you guys see for yourself that when you take the city tour, you have an idea. Now, when you go into a country, you feel like out of nowhere, you know nothing. So like going around and seeing places, you're able to connect the dots, and you know it's just a good feeling, family. So let's go. So we're gonna go back, and we're gonna show them the Two Rivers side, and you know a few, you know, cheap apartment but luxury.
That's right.
So you can see.
Stay in our range. Stay in our range.
All right, so let's go, guys. Let's go.
Yes.
How much
Yeah,
you
family.
think-
So I'm here with Shell.
How much
I
do you
want to
think
get
it is?
let me
Yeah,
see.
but you wanna
Let me get the
circle
price.
one.
Let me get the price for him.
You wanna circle?
How much for the rungo?
1,000.
No man, we're not give 1,000.
Give me 700.
The last price is 700.
No, thank you.
Yeah?
700? Oh,
Yeah.
no, I was talking to him. But I only have 1,000.
Oh, it's fine. It's 700. You get change.
I get
You have
change.
change for 300.
Sedih biar tu apa? Biar tu.
Yeah, family. So this is a rungu. We use it for self-defense here in Kenya. That's what we use it for here. Yeah, man, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. So my brother Shell from Sweden got a rungu.
I define mine.
Yeah.
Say I defend mine.
You use it to defend yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so you see, family, so when you come to Kenya, even though, because I purchased for like 500, but you know it go already, you know.
Yeah.
But it's fine, you know, but that's nothing. All right, family, so we're heading to Two Rivers Mall, and then we can, you know, go and check out the apartment and stuff. And we'll head back. So let's go.